Hello everyone and welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today I want to share with you the strawberry jam recipe with its magnificent color and perfect consistency. Let's clean 1 kilogram of small strawberries. I wash it well and drain it well in the strainer. Then I place a layer of strawberries and a layer of sugar in the pot. I used 750 grams of sugar. Then let's close the lid of the pot and put it in the fridge and keep it in the fridge overnight. The next day, the strawberries let their juice out. Let's take it to the stove and let it boil over medium-low heat, stirring it gently. After it starts to boil, let's add half a teaspoon of butter. We are gonna boil the strawberries for about 10 minutes. Let's take the strawberries into the plate with a colander. The reason we do this is so that the strawberries don't get too soft and they don't lose their color. I boiled them for about 10 minutes. However, this period may vary depending on the amount and the size of your strawberries. By the way, try to get out the foams formed on it as much as possible. After taking our strawberries from the pot, let's continue to boil the juice of our jam in a controlled manner until it reaches the desired consistency. To check the consistency, let's take some juice into a plate and cool it in the freezer. Look, you see the consistency, it has become thick. It's ready now. Now I add a teaspoon of lemon salt and a tablespoon of lemon juice in it. Let's mix it and then add the strawberries that we have separated. Let's boil it on low heat for about 5 more minutes. As I said, you have to adjust the cooking time according to the amount and size of your strawberries. Let's get the jam from the stove. You see, it has completely cooled down. It has an amazing color. It turned out to be a very great strawberry jam. I hope you will try and like it. I'm waiting for your likes and comments. Thank you for watching my video.